Okay, what's up guys? Chronos of Tech here, and I'm gonna show you guys something really cool. I'm gonna show you guys how to put up a legal notice so anyone that enters your PC, maybe there's a hacker or someone who's trying to attack your PC remotely, you can actually put up a legal notice that kind of warns them off and lets them know that if they attempt to gain access to this PC or attempt to do something to this PC, they could be prosecuted, they could be thrown in prison. You know, you kind of establish yourself with some credibility and make yourself look like a professional. You kind of make it look like you're not an ordinary individual. You kind of know what you're doing, and you might be able to see what they're doing as well. I gotta turn off my phone. So I'm going to show you guys exactly what I got going on. So when I sign into this Windows account, which is Windows 12 2012 server, and I go to sign in, you're going to see this is a secure PC. Only authorized users can log into this computer and use this network. Non-authorized users will be recorded and prosecuted. Okay, so you can put this on any Windows PC, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do that. So let's log in. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to edit the registry, right? This all happens in the registry. So we're going to go to Red Edit, and so what we want to do is we want to go to a certain path, and you got to be careful when you're in the registry system, because if you click on the wrong thing or if you move the wrong thing, you can really mess up the whole system. So you want to be very careful when you're in the system. You want to make sure that you're at the right paths and you're doing the right things. Okay, but what we're going to do is we're going to go to HKey local machine, and we're going to look for software, and we're going to scroll down and we're going to look for Microsoft. So let's close this. Let's open up Microsoft. We're going to go to Windows, right? We go to current version, and we're going to look for policies. Okay, and then we're going to go to system. Now when we click on system, you're going to see a lot of different files pop up, but what you're going to see down here is you're going to see a legal notice caption and a legal notice text. And what you're going to see is this is a secure PC, only authorized users. So this is where you edit it, right? So if I double click this legal notice caption, I remove this and click OK. And then I go to legal notice text and I remove this and click OK. And then I refresh. So every time you make an edit in the registry, always refresh to make sure that that edit is more stable within the registry. So we refresh it, and then we so let's restart our computer. Should go pretty fast. Alright, so now we sign in and we don't see anything. Okay, so this is where you actually secure your computer. This is how you stop hackers from wanting to enter your computer. When a hacker is trying to enter your computer, they're at a little bit more risk when they know that the user that they're hacking knows how to operate the registry and knows how to put up defenses right at the first line of attack. All right. So again, if I sign back in, and close this, and I go back to Reg Edit or Reg Edit, forget it. I'm not even gonna do this tongue twister right now. But if we go back here and again we put this is, let's do capitals, secure PC, and then we go here and we type in the value. Anyone who attempts to gain access to this PC, period, will be recorded and prosecuted. enter if you dare. You know, just add a little bit of flavor to it, but you know, and that's gonna work. Now we're just gonna view, refresh it, and again, let's maybe not restart our computer, maybe just log off, and we sign back in, and there it is, right? So that's how you can secure your PC, your Windows computer, and this can work on Windows 10, Windows 8, whatever Windows it is. All registries are pretty much the same, and you can operate that. There's one more thing I want to show you guys. I'm probably not going to show you guys how to do it in this video, but if we type WinVir, we can see the PC owner and his credentials, right? But if you do what I did and you edit the registry, then instead of you seeing the owner's name of this Windows Server 2012, you actually see my name, right? This is my YouTube channel, Chronos of Tech, and this is my name, BK. Okay, so you actually can see my information instead of the owner's information just by editing certain things within the reg edit. Now again, I don't recommend that anybody use the reg edit unless you actually know what you're doing. I don't suggest you toggle around with it or play around with it unless you're using like a virtual machine like I'm doing, and you can kind of, you know, mess around with Windows and make mistakes, and who cares, you can just get another virtual machine. But if it's your actual machine, like your Windows 10 and things like that, or Windows 11, whichever one you're using, make sure that you actually know what you're getting into and don't just toy with the machine, because if you mess up the reg edit, you can really mess up your machine as well. All right, so that's it for the video, man. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you guys have any like questions about Windows machines or Linux or anything like that, you know, feel free to like message me or leave a comment about what video you think I should do next or what questions you might have. All right, that's it. Later.